നമസ്കാരം. ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ കാറ്ററ്റ് കാറ്റഗറി 1 പാർട്ട് 3 ഇംഗ്ലീഷിലെ കുറച്ച് മോഡൽ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ്. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നമ്പർ 121. Read the passage given and answer the questions that follow. When I learned that my 71-year-old mother was playing chess against herself, I knew I had to do something. Who's playing? I asked one day when I saw a half-finished game on the table, my right hand versus my left. Excuse me, I said. Well, your father does not play reading defeat, still I want to keep my mind sharp. My husband suggested we give her a computer to play against. We packed up our old PC and delivered it to my parents' home. And thus began my mother's adventure in the world of computers. It is also marked the beginning of an unusual teaching assignment for me. I have taught children all these years, but never thought I would be teaching my mother to do anything. Despite the look of horror on her face when she first saw our gift, my mother was eager to get started. She sat mesmerized as the screen lit up and the various icons presented themselves. Slowly but steadily, my mother caught on, making notes in the little spiral notebook. I wondered how she would fare without me, but thereafter she only spoke about her game on the computer to me. She even forgot to ask her stock question, "What did you have for supper?" Instead, she talked about RAM, ROM, and CPU. Terms spilled out effortlessly from her mouth. My mother had acquired a new mother tongue. I am learning that no matter how old you are, a willing spirit is capable of anything. ഇതാണ് പാസേജ്. ഈ പാസേജിൽ നിന്നുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് താഴെ കൊടുത്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. 121. What lesson did the narrator ultimately learn from the above episode? Options A. Child is the father of man. B. If there is a will, there is a way. C. Necessity is the mother of all inventions. D. Familiarity breeds contempt. Answer B. If there is a will, there is a way. Next question. What did the narrator realize when she saw her mother playing chess against herself? Options A. Mother should be given company. B. She should ask father to play with mother. C. She should do something urgently to help mother. D. She should bring mother to her home. Answer C. She should do something urgently to help mother. 123. Pick out the word that means fearing from the above passage. Options A. Reading. B. Delivering. C. Mesmerizing. D. Fairing. Answer A. Dreading. 124. How did mother play chess against herself? Options A. By taking turns at both sides of the table. B. By using both the hands. C. By just imagining. D. By placing a doll on the opposite side. Answer B. By using both the hands. 125. What was the narrator's husband's suggestion? Options A. To gift mother a computer. B. To play chess online. C. To give her father coaching in playing chess. D. To equip father to play chess. Answer A. To gift mother a computer. 126. Why did the narrator describe her experience as an unusual teaching assignment? Options A. She found the experience very challenging. B. Her mother was unwilling to learn. C. Her father was against the teaching. D. Teaching one's own mother happens rarely. Answer D. Teaching one's own mother happens rarely. Next question. 127 to 150. Choose the right options from the ones given along with each question. 127. The approach followed in introducing a language discourse first and then analyze the sentences, phrase and words in it is called dash. Options A. Whole language approach. B. Phonetics approach. C. Alphabetic approach. D. Situational approach. Answer A. Whole language approach. 128. letter, notice, profile, conversation, etc. are examples for dash. Options A. Language elements. B. Language conventions. C. Language discourses. D. Language units. Answer C. Language discourses. 129. If you read a text only for a specific fact or piece of information, the reading you make can be called as dash. Options A. Skimming. B. Scanning. C. Intensive reading. D. Extensive reading. Answer B. Scanning. 130. Identify the word with 2 syllables from the options given below. Options A. State. B. Time. C. Beautiful. D. Again. Answer is D. Again. 131. The meeting was postponed. Identify the phrase that can replace postpone. Options A. Put aside. B. Put off. C. Put on. D. Put in. Answer B. Put off. 132. The sentence that expresses the function seeking permission out of the following is dash. Options A. It may rain. B. He may be right. C. May he be saved. D. May I interrupt. Answer D. May I interrupt. 133. Anubi is so weak dash he can't walk. Options A. Since. B. That. C. To. D. As. Answer B. That. 134. How many morphemes are there in the word played? Options A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. Answer B. 2. 135. The language function used in the sentence Raju can lift the chair is dash. Options A. Ability. B. Assumption. C. Permission. D. Polite request. Answer A. Ability. 136. She is accustomed dash receiving phone calls from strangers. Options A. With. B. Of. C. About. D. To. Answer D. 2. 137. Term ends test are part of dash. Options A. Summative evaluation. B. Formative evaluation. C. Continuous evaluation. D. Diagnostic evaluation. Answer A. Summative evaluation. 138. Do you mind dash? Options A. Leaving the hall. B. To leave the hall. C. Leave the hall. D. Leaves the hall. Answer A. Leaving the hall. 139. Pick out the sentence that is similar in meaning to. He helps her dash. Options A. She is being helped by him. B. She is helped by him. C. She was being helped by him. D. She was helped by him. Answer B. She is helped by him. 140. Her brother will come to take her dash. Options A. Will she? B. Won't she? C. Will he? D. Won't he? Answer D. Won't he? 141. If anything weird happens, please run away. The underlined word weird means dash. Options A. Dangerous. B. Strange. C. Noisy. D. Clumsy. Answer B. Strange. 142. Pick out the word opposite in meaning to transparent. Options A. Intransparent. B. Opaque. C. Cloudy. D. Muddy. Answer B. Opaque. 143. The field between what a learner can do by himself or herself and what can be achieved with the support of a teacher is called dash. Options A. Scaffolding. B. Zone of proximal development. C. Assimilation. D. Accommodation. Answer B. Zone of proximal development. 144. The error a learner makes in writing a sentence like I am a going is an example for dash. Options A. Morphological error. B. Syntactical error. C. Punctuation error. D. Usage error. Answer B. Syntactical error. 145. Delayed physical growth, characteristic facial features, mild to moderate intellectual disability are the symptoms of dash. Options A. Down syndrome. B. Autism spectrum disorder. C. Mental retardation. D. Hyperactivity disorder. Answer A. Down syndrome. 146. If you meet her dash. Options A. You can tell her. B. You could tell her. C. You would tell her. D. You would have told her. Answer A. You can tell her. 147. When will you return? Susan asked James. This can be reported as dash. Options A. Susan asked James. When will he return? B. Susan asked James when he will return. C. Susan asked James when she would return. D. Susan asked James when would he return. Answer C. Susan asked James when he would return. 148. In the expression once in a blue moon in the sentence, in Munnar, in the temperature drops below freezing once in a blue moon means dash. Options A. Once during the night. B. Once during moonlight night. C. Rarely. D. Never. Answer C. Rarely. 149. Pick out the sentence that is acceptable out of the following. Options A. I have seen him yesterday. B. I seen him yesterday. C. I saw him yesterday. D. I see him yesterday. Answer C. I saw him yesterday. Last question. 150. One of the best ways to make teaching of English more interesting and engaging to students is dash. Options A. To explain everything in mother tongue. B. To give a lot of exercise to students. C. To make children write everything. D. To use ICT meaningfully. Answer D. To use ICT meaningfully.